Hey guys, this is Cord from Heartland Building Center in Hayes, coming at you with another Milwaukee Monday. For this Monday, we have Milwaukee's M18 String Trimmer kit. This thing is a fuel brushless motor, takes an M18 battery. But the great thing about this is what Milwaukee calls QUIK-LOK. It allows you to add 5 different attachments to this thing to really do all your landscaping jobs at the house or anywhere else. So it comes with a string trimmer, but it also has a hedge trimmer, a 10-inch chainsaw, a 3-foot pole extension, and also an edge trimmer. So on the hedge trimmer, it's rotatable, so that way no matter what your hedges look like, no matter what angle they're at, you can grab this thing and rotate it to any angle and snap it on there. They got the 10-inch chainsaw as well. It'll do about 150 cuts on a 5.0 battery. They got the 3-foot extension pole, so that way you can reach those longer jobs when you need to. And then also an edge trimmer to edge your lawn or do whatever you need to. Like I said, this thing is a QUIK-LOK. And so what QUIK-LOK means is you can just grab any attachment here, slide it in, and you'll hear it lock there. And then we can just tighten this up, and we're ready to go. And then as soon as you're done with each attachment, just unscrew this little deal right here, grab it, and then just press this button, and the QUIK-LOK just takes it right out. And so, say once I'm done string trimming, I just grab this extension pole because I need a custom limbs on a long tree that I got. So I'll just slide this in there, snap it in place, lock it down there, and I'll grab my chainsaw attachment, do the same thing, just slide it in here. We'll hear it lock, and I'll screw that in place. Now I have a long chainsaw for any limb jobs or anything I have. And like I said, it's just as easy as grabbing the QUIK-LOK button and sliding it right out. So this thing's really nice, really easy to use, really straightforward. I'll take the QUIK-LOK out of this one as well. And yeah, that's all there is to it. So like I said, this is Milwaukee's Power Head and String Trimmer combo. Got 5 different attachments with it. You can use it for just about any job that you have. We have this in stock in Hayes, Russell, and Stockton. If you have any questions or want to stop by and see it, we have it. Hey guys, thanks for watching our videos here on our YouTube channel. Make sure to like, subscribe, and comment. And also hit the notification bell so that way you're notified every single time we post a new video on our YouTube channel. And also just comment down below and let us know which tools you want us to do for Milwaukee Monday. I just kind of choose random ones as I go, so if you want to see something special on our channel, just comment and let me know, and then we'll see you next time on our new Milwaukee Mondays.